Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the quantity survey course. In our today lecture, we will discuss the cutting length of spiral ring or helix bar used in pile or circular column. The spiral ring is used in binding of pile inner bars. We are not provided a hook in this ring, but outside we have a spiral ring to bind the pile bars, which is called spiral bars. The cutting length of spiral ring is very simple and easy. Let's we solve this example for better understanding. Here you can see this is the pile plan view and this is the pile elevation view. In the plan view you can see these green color longitudinal bars, and this is the concrete filled in inside, and this is the concrete cover outside, and this is the concrete cover outside. So here in the plan view you can see that dia of the pile without cover, concrete covers, without this concrete covers, the dia of pile at the top and at the bottom remains the same. From the top to the bottom it is 4 feet, and these are red color showing are the longitudinal bars in the plan elevation view, and these are the spiral rings provided in the pile. And here it is the value of pitch value is 1 feet between the spirals of the spiral ring. This is pitch, which is 1 feet, and the total height of the spiral ring, and this is the total height of the spiral ring without the concrete covers. It is 30 feet total height. And let's we solve this, calculate the cutting length of this spiral. Let's we solve this example now. Height of the spiral ring or helix ring is 30 feet. Top and bottom dia of pile on which ring provided spiral ring is provided 4 feet. Pitch of the spiral ring is 1 feet, and cutting length formula to calculate the cutting length of helix or ring spiral ring is n under root c square plus p square. Here c is the circumference of the spirals and n is the number of turns in the spirals. So to calculate the cutting length we will put these values in this formula. First we will find these values. First let me calculate the number of turns in our spiral ring, and we know that the height of the spiral ring is 30 feet without concrete cover. Its clear span height of the spiral ring is 30 feet. 30 divided by 1 feet, it will give us 30. So p here is the pitch of the spiral ring, and 30 divided by 1, it will give you 30 number of turns in the spiral ring length. In the total height of the spiral ring we have number of turns 30. So let's we calculate now circumference of spirals. Circumference of the spiral or circle is the we have formula pi d or 2 pi r. Both are correct. Here we are going to use pi d because we have the dia, so it's easy for us to calculate it. Pi value is 3.14, and dia of the top to bottom of the circumference of the spiral of the circle of the spiral is 4 feet. So let me calculate this value now on the calculator. Here you can see 3.14 into 4, 12.56. Circumference of the spiral ring is 12.56 feet, and the pitch of the spiral is already given 1 feet. Now let me put these values to this formula to calculate the cutting length of spiral bars or helix bars. Here I want to tell you that spiral bars are more effective in the rounded column or pile instead of the circular stirrups. So we put the value here. N value we have a number of turns, we have 30 number of turns, and C circumference of the circle or spiral is ring is 12.56 feet, and its scale, and the pitch is of the spiral is 1 feet. Its scale. This is the under root of whole equation. So let me solve this now on the calculator. Now let me calculate the spiral ring cutting length on the calculator. Here it is the formula. Let we calculate. First take the 12.56 square plus this 1 square, it will give us 158.75. then take under root of this whole value, it's 13.59. then multiply it with the 30 by using formula. So it's 407.99. 408 feet is the cutting length required for this our spiral ring for our pile. Thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next.